Assalamualaikum students. Today is NA lecture and in our previous lecture we discussed unit number 8. Now today we are going to discuss unit number 9 and our object is 2. Students, you know 2 means B. 2 means B. Students, there are three types of 2. TWO2 means though. TO2 shows direction, but this TOO2 means B. These two we use for two similar things or two similar actions. Students, basically these two we use for two similar things. Whether these things are singular or plural, we can use two at the end of the sentence, and we cannot use two for singular sentence. We always use this two for two sentences, and we use it always at the end of the sentence. Students, here are some examples about 2. Look at the first sentence. It is a book. It is a book 2. Here we are talking about two similar things and these things are singular. Next, he is drinking juice. I am drinking juice 2. Here we are talking about two similar actions, two same actions. Next, these are cars. Those are cars 2. Here we are talking about also two similar things, but these things are plurals. Next, we are playing. They are playing 2. It is a parrot. It is a parrot 2. Students, we always use 2 at the end of the sentence, and before 2 we always put comma after second sentence. Now students, move to the book. Here are some more examples about 2. This is a bucket. This is a bucket 2. This is a basin. This is a basin 2. This is a parcel. This is a parcel 2. This is a whistle. This is a whistle 2. Next, this is a centimeter and this is a centimeter 2. Students, here these sentences are about two similar things. Come on next page. Here these examples are showing two same actions. First, Jamil is painting and Nasir is painting too. Uzma is dancing and Zeb is dancing too. The boy is kneeling and the girl is kneeling too. Next, Uzma is sewing and Zeb is sewing too. Next, the cat is asleep and the baby is asleep too. Our next question is finish the sentences. Students, you can complete these sentences by yourself. Hopefully you got enough clarity about this concept. Students, move to the page number 37 again. Here I will tell you how we can change these pictures into simple question answer. Like this, look at first picture. Here we can say that, is it a bucket? Yes, it is a bucket. Next, what is it? It is a basin. Next, we can say that, is it a book? No, it is not a book. It is a parcel. Next, is it a whistle? Yes, it is a whistle. Next, what is it? It is a ruler. Next, we can say that, what are they doing? They are painting. Are they dancing? Yes, they are dancing. Next, we can say that, what are they doing? They are kneeling. Are they sewing the clothes? Yes, they are sewing the clothes. Next, what are they doing? They are sleeping. Hopefully students, you got my point. Today our object is 2. Students, today our object is 2. 2 means B. Basically 2 we use for two similar things or for two similar actions. Whether these things are plural or singular, we can use 2 at the end of the sentence, and for 2 we always use two sentences. We cannot use 2 for single sentence. Now students, you can create 5 sentences by yourself while using 2.